Welcome to the Israel Center for Excellence Through Education's International Virtual Event Google Earth instructional video. Today we are going to explain to you how you can use the Google Earth program and what you will be asked to do with it during the International Virtual Event with your students. The first thing you will need to do is download and install the Google Earth program. Once you have installed and opened the program, this is the screen that you will see. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen, you have a search bar. Here, you can type in the name of a location, such as the name of the town where you're located, or the name of your school. We are going to type in Manhat, Jerusalem, because this is the town closest to our campus. Once you have typed in a location, you will see that the Google Earth map automatically takes you to that location. It may take a minute for the map to zoom in to the desired level. And here you can see that Google Earth has found the Manhat neighborhood of Jerusalem. We will use the scroll feature on our mouse to zoom in a bit closer. When we zoom in close enough, we can recognize our own campus, and you should be able to do the same with your own. Here we can see our campus. In the top bar of the screen, we will use the tack button to mark and label our school. We will place the tack on the closest point to our campus and then type in the name of our center. Welcome! You have now reached and located the Israel Center for Excellence Through Education, the location from which the International Virtual Conference will be broadcast. And now we are about to fly with the wind. Let's say that we have already measured the wind direction at the Israel Center. To do so, we use a weather vane and a compass with degree markings. Let's assume that when we measured the wind direction, we discovered that it was 320 degrees. Now we are going to take you through the steps of discovering where the wind is blowing in our particular location. The first thing that you will need to do is look in the right-hand corner of the screen, and if you hover there, you will find a directional circle. By clicking on the N, which appears at the very top of the directional circle, this will align the map to be facing north. Once you have done that, you can now go to the top of the screen and click on the ruler icon. This opens a window. In the window, make sure that you have chosen the Line tab. Within this tab, make sure that your map length is listed in kilometers. Now, you will leave this window open and move it out of the way. When you bring your mouse back to the center, you will see that instead of a hand, you now have a square-shaped icon. Double-click on the center. Once again, you have a hand, but now by left-clicking with the mouse, you can drag and draw a yellow line. You will notice that this yellow line's degree amount is being tracked in the window of the ruler, which is still open on your screen. We know that the direction of the wind is 320 degrees as we stated, so we are going to point the yellow line in that direction. It is not necessary to find the exact degree amount, but a difference of 1 degree in either direction is just fine. Once you have found this degree, what we would like you to do is drag the yellow line to a distance of approximately 50 kilometers. You will see the kilometer amount also changes in the ruler window. In order to go 50 kilometers, you will need to reduce the scale of the map and move it over a bit. You can do both of these things with your mouse and its scroll bar. This may take some getting used to and is the main activity that you will want to practice in order to prepare for the international virtual event. You can see here that through a series of rescalings of the map and adjusting it, we are going to be able to travel the full distance of 50 kilometers. And now, having moved 50 kilometers in the direction of 320 degrees, you will see that we are just about at Tel Aviv. This activity is very similar to the actions your students will be asked to carry out during the conference. We recommend that you familiarize yourself with these operations, practice them, and allow your students to practice them as well. Thank you, and we look forward to a wonderful activity on March 7th.